Alright guys, welcome back to Drip Vials. The other day I got a code for P116, which is a temperature coolant sensor circuit 1. I'll put it in the video. It should be coming up. And it took me some time to find it because there's not too many videos that have it, or I should say manuals for this. But and it's different from the one that's down here, because I think this one is a water. This is I call this one is called a water sensor, but this is called an engine mount or engine sensor. It's on the engine itself. So this is the part number right here, because don't get it confused with the one on the bottom, because they read differently. They actually send signal for the coolant temperature in here and the coolant temperature inside the car. So those coolant temperature, this one should be warmer, this one should be cooler. So they send different type of signals. Also, this sensor is all the way down in here. Usually they advise to take this off, but I'm gonna see if I could go through here, through the back. The sensor is way back here. You could feel it with your hands right underneath. I'll try to get you a better picture. All right, so it's back here. I'm doing this blindly. It's over here somewhere. You should be able to see that. Hopefully you could see it. It's on this part over here of the car. You could feel it with your hands. Now, to get to it, might be a little tricky for some, but I'm gonna try to get to it without having to remove the box if I can. If I can't, then I'll remove the box, the Airbox and everything, and to get to this. So by the way it looks, I mean, I can, but I don't know how I could fit a tool back here. But this Airbox may need to be removed like they said. I could feel it with my hands. I could feel the clip. I'm trying to pull it out, but oh, here we go. Just pull out the clip right here. Okay. And then now I just need to get a 17, but it has to be a long 17. There isn't, I don't think there's much space, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try and see if I could get like a 17 on there. And maybe I could try to squeeze something through here. You try to get it in there. I don't want to mess with this stuff. I don't want to mess with it if I don't have to. Never try to do more than you need to, if you could avoid it. But yeah, this is definitely, as you could see, out, but it's over here. You could feel for it. So now let me see if I can get something to pull this out, but I believe it's a 17. All right, so I was able to fit an 11/16 on there. And this is how I did it. I'll show you guys real quick. First and foremost, to make sure this is the right way. So this, going in this direction away from you, will be to loosen it. So what I did was I took this and I felt for it over here, a 17 or 11/16. I feel for it all the way over here, and now I don't know if you could see, I am on the sensor right now itself. Okay, let me see, hold on. Maybe I put it in the wrong way. I feel like I tightened it. Oh, I'm sorry, coming towards you is to loosen it. That's why you always gotta do things carefully. Yeah, okay. I've loosened it. Now let me see if I can do the rest by hand. It's coming out by hand now. It might be some coolant that may come out, but it's okay. It shouldn't be much from what I know. If it's a lot, then let me get bucket anyway and put it underneath just in case. All right, so this is the old one I just taken out. There was no coolant came out. So that's great, but obviously some coolant on my hands. This is the old one. guys can see this. It's been there for a while, so there should be a, I'm gonna check, because it's supposed to be a like a rubber sealant or a metal sealant washer on here, so you never want to double wash anything. So let me just, I'll use my hand for this. Take my gloves off. I don't feel any washer. I can't really see. So what I'm gonna do is take a picture of my phone so I can look at it from here. All right, so now I'm gonna put this one in this way and screw it in towards you. All right, so this all gotta be done by feel. Now, I did have some coolant fall. I don't know if you can see some wetness. The coolant does drip out slowly from there, but make sure that this is on tight, and whoever put the other one on, it fell down here, but I'll grab it later. It fell down here, the other one, the old one, but I heard it hit the panel underneath. So I'll get that a little later. But this here, make sure it's on tight. And I double checked to make sure, I took some pictures, make sure there was not another sealant attached to it. This was on good. Now, take our wrench. And this needs to come towards you. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I believe it's towards you. Slap this on. Okay. Yeah, it's away from you, sorry. Away from you to tighten it. This position's a little different. I'm sorry you guys can't see everything, but here it is. It was not super tight when I took it off, so it won't be super tight when I put it back on. Just tight enough. Okay, remember it's a sensor, not a, it's not like you're locking your wheels or something. Just feel for it. Came off of it a little bit. And that's really it, guys. Yep, that's it. It's tight. And now, don't forget to plug the sensor back in. So this is again by feel. Feel where the flat part is sensor to meet the flat part of the circuit. And now you heard it clicking, and that's it. All right, so instead of taking off the airbox, which I wanted to do at first, but when I saw and I noticed the location of the sensor, and that's it. This took me about 20 minutes. All right, hopefully this helps you guys. And bless you, everyone. Be humble, be safe out there. Drift Virals, we're out. By the way, finally found the old part. You would not believe where it got stuck. It took me a while to find it. Way down here underneath the fan area. It took me a while to find it. I even took off the covers and everything. But anyway, I hope this helped you guys, okay? Hit me up, comment section, like, share, subscribe. I appreciate it. I appreciate every subscriber and every comment. Thank you so much.